Meaning of fast forward.
Fast forward.
Fast forward.
Fast forward.
Fast forward. Fast forward is an idiom that refers to advancing quickly through a task or situation. The phrase originates from the function on media players that allows one to skip ahead to a later point in a recording. In practical application, fast forward can mean accelerating progress or actions related to a project or task, often pressing forward without regard for detail or nuance. The result is a rapid pace of advancement, but with the potential for overlooking important factors or making hasty decisions.